Good evening. Today we are going to be with assignment 8 and last three problems which are based on this stress. Now in this we have seen we have that is DSE 1 and then we have DSI also 1. So we will remove one member and one reaction, and that also is given. If you will see here, to solve the problem using method here, as your problem given 7 vertical reaction at support A and the force in AD as a redundant. So I will plot it, and then we are going to get a redundant, sorry, determinate truss in this fashion. So now we have uh, this triangle in this way. Now vertical reaction we have to remove, so I will have horizontal reaction here also. I will have horizontal reaction, and then we have this will be member. Another we are going to remove. We have these names as A, B, C, D, E. So we have this as A, B, C, D. We have removed A, D, and then E, and then component of this 40 we have 32 kilonewton which is in horizontal direction, and 24 we have vertical. We have taken cos component 32 and sine component we have 24. Now we are going to solve this. Now we can have this member 0 because at A we have these two collinear, and then at D we have these two collinear. So we are going to get force in this member is also 0. Now this angle again, if we will go to this again same dimension, so this angle we have 45 degrees. Now we have in vertical direction we have that is only this component, and therefore I will take that is summation fx fy equal to 0. So summation fy equal to 0, and from this we are going to get this. If I will consider the joint, then you will understand it. So we have this as 32, here we have 24, then 32 kilonewtons. We have this force that is FED, and we have this force that is FEC. So why we have only one? So we have summation Fy equal to 0, and then we will have this as minus FEC sine 45 minus 24, that is equal to 0, and we will get FEC that is equal to minus 33.94, and minus 33.94 means we have compression. So 33.94 kilonewton, and we will get it as compression. So 33.94 compression. So 33.94. Now we are going to get x component of this as 24. So 24 on this side means now we have ED 32 this and component of this 24. So ED we will get 32 plus 24, and we will get this value that is 56. And again tensile. So we have this as 56 kilonewton. Now Fx0 we will get this again 56 kilonewton. You can solve this by applying summation Fx0. So we have 56 kilonewton. Now if we will take a moment about B0, then we are going to get this reaction that we will get it as 48 kilonewtons. Now this clockwise and this anti-clockwise. So automatically we have force in this as 48 kilonewtons. Now if we will consider joint C, then this we have 33.94, its component 24 will be downward, will be balanced by this, and I will have this as 33.94. Now you can see this x component of this 24 left, x component of this 24 left, and this is 48 right. So we have these are the P forces. Now we will consider, first we have to consider that is vertical reaction at A we are going to be as redundant. So that will gives us K1 forces. So we have this value will be 1 positive. Then we have this as the members. then we have likewise. Now as no load here, so I will have this 0, this 0. So if I will come this joint, both 0. If I will come to this joint, these two 0. And then we have 1, then we have this as 1. And then this reaction, we will get it as downward 1. Or horizontal, we will get it as 0. This will be K1 forces. And then we have K2 forces by applying unit force to redundant AD. So now I will go AD, a redundant I will say. So we have this will be 1 tensile. And then as we do not have any load to this, so this becomes 0. All reactions should be 0 because it is internal indeterminate. So this also we will get it as 1. And then all other we will have 0.71 already we have seen. So you can take 0.707 or you can have 0.71 and goes to compression. So 0.71. And these are we have K2 forces. Now we have this F11 that is equal to K1 square L upon A. Now we have only one member. So we have that is 1 into L, we have 4 upon AE. So this will be 4 by AE. Now we have F22 sum K2 square L upon A, that is summation. Here also. And then here we have 4 members same. So 4 into 0.71 square L we have same. And value of L we have that is 4 upon AE plus we have 2 diagonals. 2 into 1 square L of diagonal we have that is 5.657 upon AE. And this will give us value 19.31. 2 or we can say 4 we will have. And then we have F12 equal to F21 and that is equal to K1 K2L upon AE. Now we have both compression, so we will get this value as plus and then we have 1 into 1 into that is K1 K2 L we have 0.71 K1 K2 sorry 1 into K1 is 1 K2 0.71 L we have 4 upon AE and this value comes 2.828. So from this we will get actually 2.84. If we will take it as 0.707 then we will exactly get it as 2.828. And then we have this will be option that is A. So we have option A. Then we have next that is D1L, we have summation PK1L upon AE. Now we can see this in P forces we have AB0 and in K forces we have AB1, other 0 K1 and here we have other but that is of no use. So we are going to get summation PK1L upon AE which is D1L and this value we have 0. Now we have summation PK2L. We have summation PK2L upon AE and we have that is equal to, now we have to consider these all forces of K2 and that is equal to, now you can see this, we have this as 56, this is 0.71 and 1 compression. So now you can see 56 we have tension, 0.71 we have compression, so minus 56 into 0.71 and length we have 4 upon AE. Then we have next that is 33.94 which is diagonal tensile. This is tensile. So plus 33.94 into 1 into length we have 5.657 upon AE plus third we have member third we have 48 10 compression, and then we have actually this also we have compression 0.71, and then we have this as plus 48 into 0.71 into 4 upon AE, and we have this value 169.3, and then we have this will be option D 1 upon AE 169.3 upon AE. And then from this we have to solve force in member AD. So now we have dR1 is equal to drL1 plus F11 into, we have reaction, that is, we can see reaction we have considered at A. So VA plus F12 in force in member AD. And we have 0 is equal to 0. F11 we have value. So if you will see F11 we have 4. So we have 4 upon AE into VA plus F12 we have seen we have 2.828. So we have plus 2.828 into FAD. And then we have second equation dr2 is equal to drl2 plus f21 into va plus f22 into fad, and then dr2 again 0, drl2 we have calculated 169.3 upon ae, then we have plus 2.828 va plus we have this value we got, that is 19.314. So plus 19.314 into FAD. And solving this, we are going to get VA equal to 6.92 kilonewton, and FAD we are going to get it as minus 9.78 kilonewtons. So we have 9.78 kilonewtons, that is compression. So we have answer, we have B, that is 9.78 kilonewton. So we have, these are the problems which are related with your assignment number 8 NPTEL, and we will stop here only. So thank you.